At Kyndryl, we design, build, manage, and modernize the mission-critical systems that the world depends on every single day. And what we're doing today is giving back. We take so much. We take so much every single day. So planting these trees, supporting the environment, I think it really sends the right message and reminds us, right, that we must give as much as we take. And it's going to be outstanding to see these trees grow and flourish, like we'll see Kyndryl.
I think I feel more connected with the company because it's keeping people responsible and also encouraging people to be part of the initiative.
I'm actually really proud to be being able to participate in this event today. Every tree that we plant today is actually for the future. I mean, I have a kid and I'm really glad that I get the opportunity to plant a tree.
Our goal is to be at the heart of progress, and the heart of progress is broad and includes environmental awareness. It's about the kin in Kyndryl, which is kinship and therefore the relationship with nature and our organization.
There's so much emphasis right now on the environment, and Kyndryl is stepping up. It gave us a chance to give back in the sense to just the community and also to be with my colleagues in this great initiative.
Today's planting activity and the 90,000 trees that are being planted around the world are a signal that Kyndryl is really serious about building roots, and also an opportunity to get together with our employees that we haven't seen in 18 months. So it was just a tremendous day.